Well, good morning.
I'm trying to go back to sleep.
I know, you
Trying
want to
hiccups.
sleep.
Hey, where those eyes go?
Just can't quite get them open, can you? There we go.
That's
Oh.